out of my way! Get out of my way, Jeremiah! Get out of my way! I will crush you! Just get out of my way!
You need to stop this.
I'm not stopping anything. I am not stopping anything! You see, a journey of 1,000 miles, it begins with a step. And this is just the beginning. Get out of the way.
People must be kidding. This is your first century. This 21st century is not her fault. It's not her fault.
Shut up, Jeremiah! Shut up! Okay, whose fault is it? Tell me, whose fault is it? You cannot talk again. You have suddenly gone dumb. Whose fault is it? Tell me if anything is wrong.
But you said I should shut up, right? You said I should shut up.
Oh yeah, speak. Speak, I want to hear you.
We've tried everything humanly possible.
You don't have anything to say. Don't just hold me again. Stop! I don't want to see anything. Get out of my way, Jeremiah.
Perhaps it's not God's time yet.
Jeremiah, you see that God's time you are talking about is today. I am tired of waiting and I'm taking it by force.
Yes, sir. Yes. You see, the kingdom of God suffereth violence. And only the violence take it by force.
Wow. You heard that, my son? We are radical here. We are radical. We are here to take it by force.
Mama, this is amusing and sad at the same time. Are you trying to tell me that you people know more than science?
You see that science? God made the people that made that same science.
Well, right now, first, you need to listen to yourself right now.
Thank God she's here. This is a good time. For we wrestle not against flesh and blood. Today, she's leaving this house.
What are you trying to do?
Thank you, Jesus. Hey!
Mama, welcome. Hey, hold your greeting. Hold it there, you witch. Your charm over my son's life is broken. You see, Chibike, he is free. Sherry, what is going on here? Are those my boxes?
Baby, come right inside. Come right inside.
8 years is enough. 8 years is enough. It's time for you to go back to the coven where you belong to. You see this, my son Chibike? You have lost him. Tell them that they should send you another man. But for Chibike, it's over. It's over, you witch. Wait. They also sent you to break my waist, Abi? How? I will tell you, mother, that you beat me up in my son's house, Isabe. You beat me up, you witch. You beat me up in my son's house. Hey.
Get up, you're creating a scene here. Get up. Mama, what is
You will have to beat me blue black before you can enter my son's house again. You will have to beat me up.
Mama, will you stop this?
Hey, shut up! Shut up! I need grandchildren. Do you have a womb? Do you? Go and untie your womb where you tied it. But definitely not in my son's life. Your father, he will be ashamed of you. I am even ashamed of you. That a mere woman tied you down for 8 good years. 8 good years. This is what you would have done. You should thank me that I'm doing what you would have done several years ago. Stupid son. Negotiate all you can. Lobby all you can. You are leaving this house. It won't work. Lobby all you can. It won't work. You see this house? You are not entering. Auntie, see your back. See all the road you gather in my
Hey! Yes! Lay. Do. This.
shameless son. Who the kingdom of God has set free is free indeed.
Amen.
Chibike is free.
Amen.
Love you all you want. Close wound. Leave my son alone. 8 years is enough.
Shout fire.
Fire.
Shout fire.
Fire.
Shout it louder.
Fire. Go.
Fire. Shout fire. Fire. from above locate you. Now, now, now,
That's
now,
yes, who
now,
saved you.
now,
That's
now,
yes, who saved
now, now. Hey!
Fire!
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 Fire! Fire!
Fire!
Fire!
Fire!
Fire!
Fire!
Fire! Fire! Fire! Fire! Daughter, you're a winner.
Amen.
You're a winner.
Amen.
You're a winner.
Amen.
Shout fire one more time.
Fire! Fire!
Amen.
Baro's pizza, your favorite. I know you like it. It's there. You know, my mother is a village woman and religious fanatic. In less than 1 week, she will return to the village. Let's not play into her ignorance. You know what? We will stay here till she leaves. I know how you feel. But let's even walk in her shoes as well. She expects a child. 8 years of waiting has done a time in her psyche, and she's reacting the best way she deems fit.
Part of which includes throwing me out of my own house, while you do nothing about it.
I should have beaten my mother up. If she scores that a win, let's give it to her. It is our house. You and I know that very soon she will remember that her chickens need to feed and her farm needs her attention. She will leave, then we'll keep trying.
I am done trying.
What?
You heard me. I said I am done trying.
I heard you the first time.
I can't do this anymore, Jerry.
What?
I can't do this any longer.
But you know what just happened is no.
I want peace.
You have peace.
I have not had peace in over 8 years.
Isabella, if this is a joke, please, I want you to
I
stop.
see it too, Jerry.
See what?
I see through the pretentious cloak that you put on all the time. You're bothered too.
I said stop this. If it is a joke, stop it.
I want you to leave.
Isabella?
Leave this instant.
Isabella, you are asking your husband of 8 years to leave your room?
Yes.
You know what? I will leave. Perhaps you need some time to organize your thoughts. I will see you tomorrow. Isabella, you can't break your marriage of 8 years just like this. Thanks for coming. Thanks. Bye. Okay.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir. What can I offer you? Nothing.
What? Daniela, please make orders for yourself.
I'm nothing there.
Thanks once more for coming out to see me.
Please get to it, Jerry. I have to go pick my son from school.
How are you doing, Daniela?
I'm very sure I wasn't invited here on a Tuesday afternoon to be asked how I'm doing, Jerry.
Make it easy for me, Dee. I need a soft landing here.
Make what's easy.
My world is caving in on me already.
What's Daniela's business with that?
I feel that I have not done properly what I should have done with you over the years.
Stop this right now. Stop.
I'm sorry for everything.
Jerry, if you don't stop this instant, I'll walk away from this place.
Dee, you know I'm not going to stand up from here until you accept my apology.
Okay.
Daniela, don't walk away from me. Don't walk away.
What do you want from me? You want to embarrass me the more? I gave you my life. I gave you my time. I gave you everything. And you treated me like trash.
Oh, come on, Dee. You know I never would have treated you the way I did.
5 years of devotion and don't hush me. Please let me talk.
Wait. We're in a public place, Daniela.
Oh, so we should go to your room. That will not conducive, right?
I never was ready
You're
for
married
that.
now, aren't you? How's it going?
Hell.
Well, good for you. Because I want to live my life in peace, Jeremiah DK. Let me be.
I invited you here for a restaurant.
Which is to remind me of an ugly past and strip me off of the last ego I have.
Oh, never. Please, can we go back inside? Trust, if you didn't want to know why I invited you here, you won't be here in the first place.
She will come back and testify to your goodness. This I ask from you through Christ our Lord. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Lord. You are healed. Okay. Tell the next person to come. Be thou exalted, O Lord, above. Yes.
The next person is here.
Okay.
Our first year of marriage was normal. Newly married, happy in each other's arms, sex in the kitchen, kind of, I'm sorry for rubbing it in. But on our second year, we started to realize that we want things differently. We needed companions.
Companions?
Kids.
Oh.
But it didn't happen. We had sex with calendars and schedules. Sometimes I would have to run down to my house from an unfinished business trip to have sex with my wife on a timing, hoping that she will conceive. But still, it didn't happen. Then, on the third year,
We got desperate. So desperate that my husband and I began seeking solutions to our problem.
In my several years of administering IVF on my clients, I have never ever experienced a case like yours. 5 failed attempts with no medical condition to heap the blame on.
that was a devastating response to get from a medical practitioner. So we had to try other means. Trust me, Daniela, we tried virtually all options, including spiritual consultations.
She mercilessly and endlessly flogged me, screaming at the demons to leave my body, to no avail. When nothing happened, my husband later took me to yet another place in search of solutions.
What did you suggest?
That I sleep with him right there in his shrine, before the eye of the gods, in order to drive the curse away. A form of spiritual ritual, he called it.
But you didn't.
Let's go.
Excuse me, Scorpion, how will... I'm sorry. Pastor Sam.
It doesn't matter, Isabella.
It does. You're a pastor now and I should respect that.
Am I hearing this in my capacity just as a pastor, or you thought of a friend you could confide in?
Both.
You've never been religious, or am I seeing a change, Isabella?
Unless maybe we are yet to drink from the Holy Grail. But we tried everything humanly possible to have children run around our home. But the reality of that seemed to elude us.
I'm not a giver of children, Jerry. Why are you telling me all this?
You remember our last Valentine together?
You mean the worst Valentine memory of my life?
That was the day I would have man up to tell you why I invited you here 8 years later to tell you.
What is it, Jerry?
I'm not doing it. I can't keep aborting babies I'm supposed to be bringing to the world.
Neither am I asking you to, Janella.
I can't have children out of wedlock.
Janella, we can't keep talking over these issues like we are some kind of teenagers.
What in God's name have we been doing these past few years?
Janella, I thought we both agreed to be happy together and that with time we will take the right step in right direction.
Bullshit, Jerry! 5 years, 12 abortions later, I will not abort my baby.
Then keep it!
In a union, yes!
But there is a union!
Of boyfriend and girlfriend, no, Jerry!
Daniela, I want you to understand me.
I'm breaking it off.
Breaking what off?
I'm done with this mess you call a relationship.
What are you doing?
Jerry, please leave my house.
Are you asking me to leave
Get
your house?
out of my house now. Jerry, leave my house this instant. Please go. I'm very sure your text did not specify that we are to stand here and stare at each other.
Daniela, I'm totally sorry to have undermined you. Listen to me. I'm here to apologize for all the times I made you feel bad about loving me. I'm willing to make amends. If you only you can give me a second chance.
Baby, it seems to me you've got yourself a visit. Oh, Mr. Jerry. How are you, Mr. Jerry?
Ekon,
Yes, that's me.
how are you?
I'm good. Well, baby, I'll be in the room when you look at that. See yourself out.
What's going on here?
What's going on where?
What is he doing here?
Oh, so I need permission from my ex. For my ex to be in my own house?
Ex you once have an ugly past with. You once told me about that.
Once you said.
Just 1 week of us, Daniela. Did he touch you?
1 week and a day. You come to my house to tell me what to do, like I'm a baby.
Did he touch you, I asked?
What if he did?
You unbelievable.
You show up here with a flower and a well-rehearsed line that always gets me back to you. Nah, it's not happening again. 5 years, Jeremiah. And there's no ring on it. No ring on it. Be well assured that if there is no ring on it, I, Daniela, will have sex with whomever I want to have sex with.
I didn't know you to be this kind of a girl, Daniela.
This is the monster you made.
You shattered every emotion I have left in me that day.
I really wanted you to feel a little bit of how I felt every time I had an abortion for you.
That was a very mean way to have shown that.
Well, exactly as I anticipated it.
Wait a minute. You mean you weren't sleeping with Ekuma?
No. When you told me you were coming over that day, I called Ekuma. I knew his presence would piss you off.
I presumed I did very well.
You talked too much, I beg.
But I was only following your directions.
Which directions? I said come in, talk to him, and go. Which one is baby? We'll meet in the room.
I beg, which one is that one? Instead of you to applaud me for giving such an outstanding performance, you did hear the complaint.
You there, Chris? Something they work you. No just try am with me. I think as sex they worry me.
B, calm down now.
Oga turn, go wear your clothes, come on. Oh yeah, they go.
Chill, hold on now. Then wetin come be my play for say I remember this.
Send me your account number before the class. Come on. Come on. Some we won't use reggae to spoil my food.
Ekuma will do literally anything for money. Talk more of a simple display.
You sure got me right there.
Well, I was hoping, you being jealous will bring you back. At least want my attention. But obviously you didn't.
You could have succeeded if only I went home that day.
Where did you go?
I went to this bar where I ended up meeting with Isabella. She was emotionally broken. We talked, then we became friends. The next moment, we settled.
Listen to yourself. You talked, and then you became friends. And then you married. Why I dedicated 5 years of my life to excuses.
I loved you, Daniela. I loved you. I prefer to spend the rest of my life with you. But It's just
But what?
my mother.
Mwam, it's not possible. You can't marry Onyemo.
Mama, what is Onyemo?
Onye Calabar. Audio possible. Not while I'm alive.
But Mama, what's the problem with marrying someone from Calabar?
So you don't know. Ndi Koku. You don't know that they don't stay with one husband. They jump from one man to the other. Besides, they like sex too much. Wow.
But Mama, it's you that is getting it wrong. Sex is something that a man and a woman needs in a marriage to grow. It is called building. It's something that is very important.
Jeremiah. Ah, not too much of it. One day you'll be tired or you're not around. Or just on your driver. No, don't say that. Mba.
Your mother's view is distorted. She sees the world from a wrong mirror.
Daniela, that day I saw Ekuma at your place. To be sincere with you, I thought my mother was right after all. Since you were able to move on with someone else, that was the reason I didn't come back to you anymore.
So why are we here now? Why are we rehashing the past?
Daniela, I think your anger towards me for wasting your time, energy, sacrifice, and withholding the real fruit from you is causing me so much pain in my home.
Like karma.
Something of that nature.
Nah, that's not possible.
Why so?
I'm sure it's not me.
And why are you so sure?
I loved you so much, Jerry, to let my heart hurt you. So I moved on. And so did I do with the pain.
You mean you are not angry with me at all?
I won't be here if I was. I'm not responsible for your perceived karma.
So what is wrong with my marriage then? I always thought it was my past with you.
Where is she now?
She disappeared.
Wait till she reappears. You haven't heard from her yet.
What does she have to say?
See, every human on earth has a secret they don't want to share with anyone. Until that day comes, when they can't hide or keep it to themselves anymore. Especially we women.
Why a woman?
We are made up of emotions. The ones we can control and the ones that control us. Like love and hate.
That's quite deep. You sure have elevated your level of thinking.
Well, I like to evolve. Leaving your knowledge dormant is boring. So I think to learn deeper things of life.
God. So, how is your son and your husband?
They're fine. I have to go pick up my son now. Yeah.
Appreciate it.
It's fine, Jerry. It's okay. It's okay.
Do you remember Prince back in school?
Prince?
Yes.
Yes. But why ask?
Do you still remember how you guys met?
Mm-hmm. Why ask?
Tell me about it.
Are you serious? My marriage of over 8 years is currently undergoing crisis. And you ask me about Prince?
Isabella, I want you to tell me all you know about him.
Hello, young lady.
Hi.
Can I give you a lift?
No, thank you.
Come on, it will be my pleasure and I will gladly be at your service.
Isn't it too early in the day to woo a woman?
I'm just trying to help a beautiful lady get to her destination, that's all. Hey! Come on.
Cut the crap. I have a boyfriend and I do not double date.
Hey, come on now. I'm just trying to get you home. Okay, look, I'll explain myself to your boyfriend if I have to. I will. Come on, let me drop you. You can't be standing here by yourself. Come on.
Silent drive.
Silent drive. Cross my heart. All right. My name is Prince, by the way.
Hi, Prince.
Okay, and you are?
Queen.
A tale of a prince and a queen. What a royal trick. Oh, wow.
You promised
So,
this would be a silent drive.
well, the silence was becoming too loud, if you ask me.
I was cool with it.
Well, not me. So, tell me, Queen, what do you do?
I'm a student.
Okay. Of what?
Please pull over by this road. Yeah. I want to come down.
Why, are we there yet?
No, we're not, but I want to come down.
Over
here.
Okay, fine. I get it. I'm talking too much. All right, I get it. I'll shut up now. Shutting up, and we're talking.
That was it. That was how we met. He picked me up at the road and dropped me in front of our hostel.
And?
And what?
What next?
He left.
All of it, Isabella. Tell me what went down with you and Prince. I have my reasons for asking.
Which is?
Tell me everything that went down between you and Prince.
Thanks for the ride.
You're welcome. So can I get your number so maybe I can...
This is the part where I say goodbye.
Wait, no, I mean no harm. Queen, come on, I just wanted to keep in...
Who is there? I was calling your line.
You were?
Yes.
I had an awkward ride to this place. I want to say yes, my phone, the ring.
Did you see my text at least?
Text message.
Yes.
What did the message talk?
I said you should buy oil for the plantain.
I don't see him. I'll fry plantain. Put my phone on there. Angel, my phone not there here. My phone not there this place. Call my phone, Abel. Call my phone. Yeah.
It's ringing.
But you know they ring for here.
Your phone is always on vibration.
Hi! Oh God, I beg. Now we can't do this now. God, I want to like this kind of thing now. My phone don't miss. I want to like this kind of thing. Hey, why you do like this? Isabella, why you do like this? My instinct will tell me, see man not enter that guy. Can I see that? See my phone they miss now. I beg they call him, man, no whether go touch it, have to make my phone. Make me my phone, I beg, I don't like nonsense.
It's still ringing.
Hey, keep calling now. That guy na tifo.
Don't assume he stole your phone. Maybe you dropped it in his car. Do you have...
The guy na criminal, he took my phone. I know it's how they talk. Even people like say when they come from inside the motor, say, charm me joy. No, my phone they miss. They call.
Okay. You don't have his card, at least we can call him.
I don't get anything. I don't get. Just they call his number.
It's still ringing.
Hey!
Hey! There's no you in the house. We eat boiled plantain.
Hey, mad. Stop the do it for head. You know, Jala. My phone they miss. You talk plantain.
Let me keep on
Which
calling.
dirty plantain be that? Come on, they keep calling. Keep calling, how you saw.
It's still ringing.
Boiled plantain. You boil your mouth now.
Should I
Just
keep on
keep calling. Money. What be this?
I'm reading.
What did you do? What did you do?
I'm reading.
You're reading. I can see you're reading. Now, book is supposed to read that. Now, my phone is supposed to call me. Make I know this my phone. Oh, yeah, they read now. Professor. Dr. Rechima, man, daddy chi. Find my phone. You know, go find now. Man, don't see the phone first. Go tell me as you want to pay school fees. Or they what do they do you for head? You they read. They say you don't have the phone there, but I'm rich. Come on. Bring your hand or lock this phone. Yeah, they smell. Man, don't find my phone first. You say anything?
I didn't say anything.
I don't say talk to me. You say anything?
I didn't say anything.
Man, don't see my phone first.
We're sorry. Your call cannot be completed as dialed. Please check the number and dial again, or call your operator to help you.
Okay. Yeah, but I mean, imagine they say such stuff.
No.
No, now, don't do like this. Don't do like this. May just be network.
dialed. Please check the
I
number
said,
and dial
see,
again.
don't go switch on
Call
my
your
phone. Come
operator
look on the
to
ring
help
again. Don't switch my phone off. Which kind of keep this one now?
What's his name? Maybe we can search him on Facebook.
Prince. You say your name that Prince?
Hey, there are over 1 billion princes on social media. Is there any other name he told you that might single him out?
No, I don't let him talk. I just rush myself and rush the guy job. We even know whether I introduce him that Prince.
Then we have to wait. We pray God touches his heart to return the phone.
Hi, God, I beg.
Hey!
God, I beg. God, touch his heart. I don't be shocked like that. They call him, no baby call transfer video. They call the phone, make just be seen and just let it be like this.
Hey, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, I'm looking for a lady. I dropped her off here last night, and she must have forgotten her phone. So I don't know if you.
Are you Prince?
Yes, I am.
Prince, she will be with you soon.
All right.
I'm off to school.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Thank you. Bye.
Oh, Jesus. Thank God.
Good morning to you too.
I see you changed your mind.
I'm sorry, about what?
My phone, where is it?
I'm a little bit confused here. What could have been in my mind that needed changing?
I don't know, you tell me. First you give a lady a ride and then boom, her phone disappears. Where is my phone?
Wait, are you insinuating I stole your phone? Oh my God, Queen, come on. You steal your phone. Okay, what happened was that, okay, I was at the car wash this morning and they found the phone under the seat of the car. And I figured the phone should be yours since you were the last person I carried last night. So.
Can I have my phone, please?
Wait. Can I at least make up for the inconveniences, please?
I have lectures.
Okay. Why don't I pick you up from school by noon? Or I could drop you off in school right now this morning, if you don't mind.
I have to get ready.
Sure. I'll be by my car. I'm happy you agreed to come out here with me.
I'm happy you returned my phone.
Is it just on that basis you agreed on a date with me?
A date? Are we on a date?
I thought maybe when a guy and a girl hangs out, it's called a date.
I don't think so.
Okay. So what do we call this one?
A complimentary gesture from you to me.
Okay, complimentary gestures. Cool. When you told me you had a boyfriend, were you serious?
Prince, tell me, what exactly do you want from me? And be truthful.
Well,
You never know. You just might get whatever it is you want.
Okay. Well, I want us to be friends.
And
And?
And fuck.
No. Alright, look. Sex is not a priority for me right now. I just want us to build something together. That's what I want.
But when giving sex, you'll accept, won't you?
Okay. You're a pretty lady and all, right? Maybe you meet guys that, want to have sex with you and all that. For me, it's different for me, okay? I want us to build something, and from there we just, you know what I mean?
Why me, though? We just met yesterday.
Well, we don't need eternity to be friends, at least. That is why I'm asking we should start from friendship.
We can be friends. But you must know, I'm in my final year. I need maximum concentration. So as my friend, she will keep your distance. And then again, be minimal with your affiliations.
All right. Cross my heart. Would you want something to eat?
Sure.
All right.
I want to take photographs. Will you snap me, please?
Sure.
I don't want to get the people in the background, so you come over here. You have to lower yourself so I appear taller. Stay low, friends. Stay low.
You got it.
Oh, okay. Come. No. Here.
Hey, you know it's the same thing, right? Okay, fine.
Stay here.
Do I need to go look?
Yes.
All right.
I'm not done.
Still one more.
See ya. You ready?
Yeah.
Please go low, please. Take several shots.
You know I have like 1,000 shots.
Give me that. Okay. Okay. Oh my
god, this place is really dope. The pictures are colorful. I love it, I love it, I love it.
Okay, can we go get something to eat now? I'm glad you enjoyed yourself. Queen.
Sorry, I'm making an Instagram post. Just give me a sec. Oh my god, this picture is so dope. 48 likes. No. I'm not surprised. This picture is dope on every level. Ooh.
Well, I'm glad you had a wonderful time.
I'm glad I had a good time too. Thank you. Thank you for being a gentleman.
You're welcome.
My pictures are popping.
So can we do this some other time, Queen?
Queen? Oh, wait a minute. I'm your queen already?
Wait, isn't that your name?
God, I better go. My name will be Queen. No. The day that we met, you know, you said your name was Prince, and so automatically I became Queen. Queen of my name, oh hey.
Alright, so what is your name now?
Isabel or Isabella.
Isabel. I like Isabel.
Mm-hmm.
That's a beautiful name.
For a beautiful lady. I know. Stop right there. Whoa! 55 likes!
So I hope you get to do this again sometime.
Sure, why not?
Isabel? Hey. She out of her mind.
Oh, look at that. Fine girl. I'm so pretty. This slay. Meadow, this is 100% slay. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm blushing. They love my picture. Come on now, give them. Give them left and right. It's a hot girl something. Angel, that my picture now. The one I showed you earlier, I took earlier today. Just few hours ago. Nah. This picture don't reach 173 likes. Oh my god. It's only a matter of 1 hour now if you can reach 200 likes. Oh my god, because that's so pretty.
So, you decided to hang out with this guy just to get beautiful pictures?
Now. Now today I begin see, man. I better go.
Really?
Wait till be really now. I not show you this picture before. You know fine rich. No be the same picture now, and they craze all my followers. This babe, no they ask you your question or you know fit you.
Who is this guy? What does he do? And where is he from?
Sure. Questionnaire. I won't say no. Wait till me gum all these questions. Who is he from? He yellow, he black. Wait till be age. Where in village? Stop it, oh. Wait till concern me. The important thing is that he keeps taking me to beautiful places where I can take beautiful pictures like this one for my beautiful followers. You know what I mean? Yeah.
This is unfair. Maybe the guy wants to build a strong relationship with you.
Stop it. Stop it. See, Smally, just dey look your book. Where I face your book. Enough of the talking.
Face your book. Now you don't the yarn of pata. Read your book and see. She's so funny. What's your girl?
You are defrauding his emotion.
So now I'm Yahoo of the heart now. Smally. I'm Yahoo of the heart. I catch your mouth now, squeeze, I go squeeze am.
Imagine reverse is the case. You are seriously in love with someone, and what the person wants from you is just sex.
Then I move on. Then glue me for dear. And then when I not like, you don't say where I move. One time, I not be moved. So if you don't like, I still walk on before I'm maybe they work. Free me. Oh, talk about the devil. He's calling me.
The guy is in love.
I can't love go with that boy. Because for here, I don't meet lessons. I don't get time. No, not be me.
It's gone now.
No. It's past 9. I'm sleeping.
Sis, that is unfair. There's someone that took you out today to get beautiful pictures.
Abby, not true. You make a valid point. Thank God it's still calling. Hello. Oh my God, it was your call that woke me up. I was asleep already. How are you? No, it's okay. No, tomorrow I'll be a lot busy, I swear. Oh, no, I don't mind. I don't mind at all. Okay. Alright, good night. Yeah, bye.
What did he say?
He said, free ride. He says he wants to drive me to school tomorrow.
That will save me from transport fare. When is he coming?
When we're ready, I'll call him.
Yeah.
Fine girls. That woman, this fine girl. Yeah. Like all the pictures now hits back to back.
So trust me, okay? You guys are going to love this place.
As long as it's as exquisite as you have sounded, I don't mind.
Of course, you see for yourself.
I like swimming.
Oh yeah?
I like swimming. Till you drown.
Don't worry, you're going to love this place.
picture of me, please? Please, please. Ah, this place is the bomb. Every angle is a hit. I look around this way. It's beautiful. Yeah. Okay, several shots. Okay, first I put my leg up here. So you get the shoes. Get it all the way out. Get it? No. I'm not done. Yeah. You know, because you're tall. Come down. Come down. One more. Go down for this one now. Go down. See me from this angle. Just this is the last one. Last one, I promise. Let me see. Ooh. Oh my God, Dap! Thank you very much. Look at this picture. This place is beautiful. I mean, look at my pictures. Every angle it's on makes your picture a.
All right, Isabel. Where do you see yourself in 5 years from now? Isabel.
Eh? Did you say something?
Yes.
Oh, sorry.
Where do you see yourself 5 years from now?
Well, within the next year, I ought to have left this shithole of a university. Then 2 years after, I'll be doing my NYSC. After that, I'll proceed to working in a money firm where I make lots of money.
And what will you be doing lots of money?
Travel the world, buy all of my favorite things. Ha, so much to do with money. So much.
Well, everybody wants to travel the world and make lots of money.
That's right. What about you? Where would you be in 5 years?
Well, 5 years from now, I would have been a well-established man.
With lots of money.
Yeah, lots of money, but money isn't everything.
What is then?
Happiness, peace of mind, you know?
Where I come from, money buys all that. Happiness, peace of mind, future. Money they buy them.
No.
They buy.
No, that's where you're wrong. Money can only enhance or aid it. It doesn't buy everything.
All this one English they speak. Oh. Money they buy everything. Last, you get your own opinion. Me say I get my own. See picture. And I never edit them more. When I will call editor, boom.
Angel. Tell me, where do you see yourself in 5 years from now?
Managing my own hospital with a husband and at least with one child.
All this is inside 5 years. Only 5 years. Now you want to do all of this. You be magician.
Impossible is actually nothing. Anything you put your mind to, you will get it. I have this belief, before I turn 30, I will have at least 2 kids. And in the next 5 years, I will be 29. That is, I'm somehow behind my target.
Okay, oh, auntie. Good luck with that.
She has big dreams, this one.
She has always had mighty dreams. Smelly of our house. Giant's dreams, Lomo. So, who is Prince and what does Prince do for a living?
Why now?
Why what?
Why ask me that now?
Wrong timing?
Well, you could have asked a long time ago. Why now?
Excuse you, I don't go around asking people who they are and what they do for a living. But I'm asking you now.
All right. My name is Prince Ezego.
Are you the son of the popular billionaire Ezego? I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
If my dad was a billionaire, I wouldn't be driving a taxi now, would I? Hey, are you all right?
Yes, I'm fine. Something is a taxi. Did you say that? Something taxi?
Yeah, I'm a taxi driver.
You mean like a cabman?
Well, if that suits the description, yeah. I drive an Uber. I use my car for Uber, actually.
Right. The car you always drive us around in.
Yeah, that one. You know, I do Uber during the day, then later in the evening, I go to my shop.
You have a shop?
Yeah, I do.
What do you sell in your shop?
I think we'll leave that as a surprise. Yeah. You know what? She done already?
Sis, you know I have evening reading class and I think I'll be leaving you guys here.
Never mind. Prince will drop us at home.
The school is not far from here and I don't want to ruin the party, so I will take Kiki.
Okay, why don't we go to my shop? It's not really far from here.
I've had a great day of fun. All I want to do now is go home and rest.
Well, we could all go together. It's not really far from here. It's just a stone throw.
If you say so.
So, here we are. I think my staff need help with the customers. Let me help her out, okay?
Don't waste my time.
No.
No, don't waste my time,
No,
please.
I won't. 5 minutes tops. I'll be out. Okay? Promise. 5 minutes.
Where the shop be? You wan buy shawarma? Where in they go? Yeah. This guy they say shawarma. This post they say shawarma. My staff. He chuchu the talk. He chuchu the talk. Give his staff them. Fuck, Isabella, what did they do you? Hey, carry wakako. Taxi driver. They say shawarma, I no see where. And they see now hot spot shawarma. This is Isabella. No, you no carry body sha. Which kind of illness? Isabella, come carry. Come carry me come for here, beg. Look for here. I dey here. Come carry me come for here. They provoke person. Carry me come for here, beg.
Oh,
Hi.
Prince.
Good morning, Angel.
Good morning. Let me fetch Isabel.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Sis. He's at the door.
Who? Sam?
Which Sam? Prince, of course.
What? What in the world is he doing here? And by this time of the morning?
You should go ask him yourself.
I beg you. I know the house. Go tell him. Go tell him say I know day. Because to try no day. Like this now, no midday.
I've already told him that you are home.
Why now? Who asked you to? Who sent you? I know day. Go tell him.
I'm going out there to give him seats.
You just what? You. Oh yeah now. Oh no, tell him. Tell him what you feel like telling him. At the end of the day, you will see my true colors today. What kind of miserable visitor is this early morning?
Prince, you can have a seat. She will be with you soon. She needs to freshen up.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. He's patiently waiting.
Small. Oh yeah, now today. Today, una go know who I really be. Which kind of illness be this one now? I don't want date. I say I don't want date. I don't want date as man. I don't want date shower man. I want to talk. I'm not speak Roman. Not speak Hispanic. What's happen?
Sis. Seriously, sis. That is an unfair word to say to a man. Jokes apart, aside God, no one else knows any man's destiny.
Small, you see me and you, blood sisters. But opinion, reasoning, worlds apart. Last night, when you no let me sleep, just a yarn of pattern non-stop. All that nonsense, we dey talk. As I don't sleep, come wake. Guess what? I still don't feel anything for him.
Then why don't you go out there and tell him? Seriously, you're wasting his time and emotions.
I don't understand. Nobody think I dey talk since. I never dey talk and reach how many. I don't talk and tire. All the attitude wey I don give am, e never reach for am to get the memo. Body language sef follow the communication. You know say I no want am. He sef don he sabi, but he no wan hear. He get blockhead. He know the reason. Come go tell us make they go now. Make they go in house.
I'll be going to church. Are you coming with me?
I know they go. Come they go your church. I no get prayer point. E good as you dey go church. Tell Prince may he drop you for church. As you don enter motor, dey go flash me. Say I go dress up, begin go Sammy house. Sammy dey wait me.
Sis.
Dey go.
What in God's name are you still doing with that Sam? When you have someone out there that loves you?
Hello. Nah, Sunday morning sex, na the kind go there. So be going.
Sis, aside sex, what else do you benefit from that notorious cultist?
Stop calling my boyfriend a cultist.
Him being your boyfriend does not erase the fact that he's a notorious cultist.
Stop calling my boyfriend a cultist. Come and go your church.
Please.
Oh yeah.
Just try and see him. It's very important.
Come on. If you don't carry this, come on. What I will do you? What I will do you, Smally?
Hey.
Prince.
Are you going out?
Yeah, I'm off to church.
Okay. Should I drop you off?
Don't bother. She will join you soon.
Okay. Alright. Say a prayer for me, okay?
Of course.
course. I do pray for my friends. By the way, thanks for the shawarma.
I made it specially for you guys.
God, I enjoy every bite of it. I'm coming for more.
It's fine. Anytime you're ready.
I'm going off to church now. See you later.
All right. Bye.
Prince. Where is Isabel?
I've not seen her.
Since then,
I've not set my eyes on her.
this is me.
I'm sorry, what did you say?
Never mind. Isab.
Is she angry with me?
Does she have any reason to be angry?
Well, yesterday I wasted a bit too much time in my shower my joints. I don't know if that could...
Is that enough reason for her to be angry with you?
Well, yeah, she wanted to leave yesterday. That's why I'm here this early to apologize. Please, just tell her it won't happen again, please.
Maybe she don't want to see you now, and I think you should come back later after I'm done talking to her.
All right, please tell her I'm sorry, okay? Tell her I'm sorry. It won't happen again.
I will.
All right. I got this for her. Yeah, please help me pass it to her, okay?
I will.
Thank you very much.
All right.
I should be on my way.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
So what's happened? Why did you go for my phone? What's in there?
Who died? Sis, I can't believe you kept to your word.
What word?
You let that guy sit out there for hours. Who? Prince, of course. And when did Sam become your boyfriend again?
Since this morning. Questionnaire.
Seriously, you are being too mean to this guy that loves you so much. And you are in the arms of someone that has 8 or more of you in this school.
Look at you, you're so cute. Is it not said that the devil you know is better than the angel you don't know? Besides, if you like Prince as much as you were proving to, why don't you date him? Date him.
I mean, I don't just like it when people I care about are being treated bad.
Shut up! Go fuck him on my behalf and stop disturbing my ears.
Hey, he dropped this for you. It's a gesture to say sorry on how he treated you yesterday at the joint.
Let me see that.
It's a nice one.
Oh, Alize. Some good wine. Why smile? You drink Alize. Wake. Shelve it.
Who is there?
Hi.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm really sorry to have woken you guys up this early. It's just that I've been calling Isabel since yesterday and she's not picking up her phone. Is everything alright?
Everything is alright.
Do you have any idea if she's still angry with me or something?
Sit down. Let me fetch her for you.
Alright. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Come.
See. I'm off for lectures.
Who was that? Somebody was knocking.
It was Maggie. Are we going now?
See you.
I'm off to lecture now. She will join you soon.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
When are you coming for your shawarma? I promised you a special, right?
Maybe this weekend.
Weekend?
Yes.
Alright.
I think I left the gas stove on.
Hello, Manj.
Hi, Prince.
Listen, okay. I just want to apologize for yesterday. Alright, I know my actions at the shawarma joint might have, ticked you off and all that, so I'm sorry. Just give me a chance to make it up to you.
It's okay. I mean, I haven't been myself these past days, and it's because I'm desperately in need of money. I need 200,000 naira for my school practicals. And sometimes when I remember I don't have it, it gives me mood swings.
200,000 naira.
Yeah.
That is that is a lot of money.
I know.
But if you can give me till evening, I'll make the money available for you. Provided to make you happy.
You can give me 200,000 naira.
I can make it happen. Just give me from now till evening, okay?
Sure. I'll wait.
Okay.
Here?
I'm sorry, give me a minute.
Sure.
Guy, I'll be back soon. Just cover for me for now, okay? Bye. Can't talk right now. I am sorry about that.
Somewhere you need to be?
No, not really. Not really. So, give me till evening, okay? I'll get the money for you.
No problem.
All right? Okay. So,
Look at you, you're so cute. I'll be waiting for the 200,000 naira.
okay.
Okay.
All right.
Bye. Happy birthday. Small, do and come back first. I'll have your head for people see.
I am stranded out here. Please, I will take Ekeke to the house. You help
No,
me.
just try am at all because you go loss. I no get money. E good as you come here because you for loss as you reach here. Come sef. Shebi you dey find who go pick you. Ma call am sef, make him come carry you. Where you dey?
Don't bother.
Wetin you don bother? You no wan come back again. You no be taxi man. Na taxi man na. We go use am o. Use im services. See that sense wey no get. Isabella go give am sense.
This is unfair.
Oya na, Smally. Dey trek dey come house. Dey come, I dey wait you. You go trek tire today, dey come. Hello? Okay, you still dey there? I just see on network o. So your voice don lost, you no fit talk again. Sentawegbe. Unfair. Come on. Text me your location. Where you dey? Ma call am now, go carry you now.
Hello, my angel.
Hi, Prince.
I'm still trying to run around for the money. I have to leave now, right?
My sister is somewhat stranded at the school gate. Can you please pick her up and bring her back home?
All right, sure. Right away.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Mug.
Thanks for coming to my aid. I was really stranded.
No, it's nothing. Anything for you guys.
Hope we didn't inconvenience you.
No, not at all. Actually, I see it as an obligation.
Well, that's for your understanding.
So how about that shawarma we spoke about? I could drive straight to my spot and I could make you special. That if you're not in a hurry.
No, not at all. I don't mind.
Alright, we'll take a detour then.
Alright.
So just help me boil some eggs. When I come, I'll make a shower myself. Okay? Hey, sorry for keeping you waiting.
Seriously, Prince. You make the best shawarma in town.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Appreciate that.
How long have you been making it?
Couple of months now. You know, I don't have enough clients to drive around town most of the time because it seems everybody in this town owns a car, you know? So I opened this for a steady source of income.
Same thing I've been trying to do for some time now.
Which is?
Another source of income aside my parents' aid. You know, studying medicine in this country is too expensive.
So I heard.
Hear it again from me. Sometimes I feel they're even taxing my soul.
Ski your soul, what do you mean?
Prince, will you employ me to work here?
I'm sorry, what?
I'm serious. I'm offering my services.
Actually, you're very funny. I didn't know you have such a good sense of humor, though.
But at this point, I am very serious.
Wait a minute. You're serious?
Very serious.
Wait. A beautiful medical student like you working as a sales girl in a shawarma shop.
Provided that a beautiful medical student gets paid.
Huh.
Mm-hmm.
Finally, na so make una come back. I don't the reason whether na hotel na branch go too quick. Come on for my love. You need to talk now. Truth.
That is an embarrassing thing to say.
Shut up.
Well, actually, that is a princess special.
Shawarma.
Yeah,
I don't ask for shawarma, bros. I dey waste the money, the 200k.
Oh yeah, about that. See, that mind you, see, I was able to get this is
Keep it here.
yeah, okay. I was able to get 20,000 naira. Okay. See, I know what it looks like, but just give me from now till tomorrow evening. I'll get you the rest, I promise.
20,000. 20,000. You see your life now. Hey, Prince, you see your life now. I asked for 200,000. You swear, promise to high heavens, say you go feel raise am. Last, now only 20k. Now if you raise, for who? Me, Isabella.
See.
How you want to say they love me when we say you be promise and fail? When we say you know sabi take care of woman, how you want to say they love chick like me? How?
See, mind you, see, the thing is, business was actually slow today. You understand? And we had restocked yesterday. So, just give me from now till tomorrow evening. I promise you, I'll get the rest of the money. I promise. Okay?
Tomorrow.
Yes, tomorrow. I promise I won't fail you this time.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
I dey here, they wait.
Okay. Thank you so much for your patience and understanding. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Good night now.
I hope you enjoyed the show.
Sure. Thank you, by the way. Bad luck person. Wetin be this? Wetin be all this rump money? For who? Make this guy not try insult me, oh. For who get this kind of dirty money like this? No get money, you want chop better soup. Long throat or the near.
Sis, I got a job.
You what?
I got a job.
Small.
Sis.
You got a job?
Yes.
She's serious, oh?
Yes.
Oh yeah, now take high five. Congrats.
Thank you, sis.
You collect this high five?
Of course.
So you know the joke? Me, I no be no say they find work. Oh. So, where be your office now? Who they work for?
At Princess Shawarma joint.
Blood of Jesus. Eh? Where? How it take happen? What happen? You say wetin?
His shop needed a sales girl and I asked for it. He offered me the job.
Say to Fiakwa, spit out. Say to Fiakwa. How? How want it happen? How? You no get self-respect. Something they do you for head. Something they worry you. You don't the mad, Abi. How want to be sales girl give prince? You no get self-respect, Angel.
I'd rather work and earn decent money than to sit and defraud people of their emotions.
I was you slap. I slap you. Slap where I go slap you. Slap I go land for your cheek now. All your things go drop for ground. You rather what? Who they defraud who emotion for here? You don't run mouth now, Abi. Why they worry you? Why you want to embarrass me now?
Oh.
Why are you insulting me? You don't know that being princess sales girl, being sales girl to my love interest is an embarrassment to me. You don't know.
So
You your mumu don't too much. This low mentality where you get now only God 90 save you from man. Don't the fuck up every day for your life. Which kind of mumu can be this one?
sis, it's not a poor mentality. It's called sense of duty. Every other country out there has it. It's only in Nigeria people see mega job as poor.
I know what I go do. Make tomorrow reach first. Make Priso bring the balance of the money while they wait. Once I collect the money like this, for lie, I don't free now. I go free you, free prince, because una two na twins. Una favorite thing na poverty, and they reflect for una poor mentality. The way una everything about una poor. The way you dress poor, the way you think poor. Even the smell way you smell poor. Come out for here, sir. Come out. For. You got what? You got. Come. If I stand up for here, small. If I stand up for here, the way I go descend on you. Which kind of headache is this now? Why does this girl want Priso to see me as a low-class girl? Idiot! You good that she don't get work. Because now you go save money, go pay her rent, they stay for your own house. Because this is your reasoning. This is your lifestyle. It dey bring me bad luck. Poor trash of a girl. Oh true. You and Prince now 250 in herself. Make tomorrow rich, make come. Make my money come. You try dirtying me with all the class when I carry for body. Oh, now this people I say make Prince go pick up now. This girl don't go miss ya. This girl don't just small ride from school gates reach here. Don't go there miss ya. Go there find work when nobody send you. No people say you get it you won't carry money do.
I'd like you to close early today.
Why?
You look tired already and I want to take you out.
To where?
Somewhere you can relax and be served. That's if you don't mind.
I don't mind. It's been long I got sent.
Okay, then let's do it.
No.
Yeah, sure. Grab your stuff then. Let's just, alright. Good, take care of it. We'll be back, okay? Just take care of it.
This looks like a date to me.
Of course it is. When was the last time you went on one?
Been ages. The movie script will make sense. The boss going on a date with his employee.
Well, aren't you all telling stories on this God's earth?
How do you mean?
Well, the life we live is by choice. How we feel, how we make others feel, and even how we react to things that happen around us.
You are philosophical.
Well, I studied philosophy in school.
I see.
Can I ask you something?
Shoot.
If you had one shot, one opportunity to capture everything you've ever wanted in one moment, will you take it or let it go?
Has anyone told you ask the toughest question?
No.
You do.
Well, I'll take that as a compliment. Thank you very much. But can you please answer the question?
Okay. I will grab the opportunity.
You know, I see us in a very different dimension, higher than this one.
Which is?
You know, at first I thought it was your sister, but I am convinced beyond every reasonable doubt that you're the one for me.
If I get you correctly, as I'm no longer a baby, you want to shift your attention from my sister to me.
Well, if you choose to see it that way. Look, I want us to be more than what we are right now. I want to love you like no other man has ever loved you before. I want us to build a future together. I want me and you...
Stop! Just stop. What impressions you want to create for my sister?
Well, you must know, Isabel is just like a vehicle that rode me to you. She's not my type of woman. She's not.
And have you told her about it?
Told her what? About what?
That you're no longer interested in her.
Well, if getting a yes is tied to it, I'll make that call right now.
Things are accelerating too fast.
Oh, with this job, you go.
Hello, Isabel.
Hello?
Do you have a minute? I want us to talk.
You wanted to what?
Look, I just...
Call this place. Be like say something they do you for head. You be like say you don't mad before. You be like say you don't live for say Sakia. Wait till you self. Free me, you no go here. Free me, you no go here. Since when they pursue person say you don't want free the person. Oh yeah, now hear them. Make a talk now. Guy. Nothing for this life go make me date you. You dey hear me? Nothing. Since when I carry silence, they communicate. You know one here. Because you do that, you no get head. You be dumb ass. As I don't tell you now, may sink in. Free me, abeg. Free me.
So who be that eating?
Wait, they pursue me since so. I don't extort, I'm tired. I don't even hide from him. Tired. Nothing I never do. You know one get the memo sound allowance.
That guy, they crazy. I go for that guy. Where you got to go now? Wait, me will continue.
I don't tire. I want bath.
But you can't sit there awake now.
Take him, wake his sleep. One key person.
Oh, Isabella, why they do like this now? No finish with will start now.
So, is this the point where you get to tell me you think about it? I'll be making a short trip to the village to come back on Saturday. My father wants to see me.
I trust all is well.
Yeah, everything is fine. Look, as a matter of fact, our business is in the right hands. I'm happy.
Oh.
Yes, our business.
Don't be too sure.
Listen, I will cross every ocean and climb every mountain just to be with you.
Good night.
Wait. You know you're a goldfish, right? And goldfishes don't have a hiding place. You know that. So you can run, but you cannot hide.
Good night. I'm going. See you tomorrow. You're something else.
Have a good night, my love.
Alright.
Bye.
Bye.
Hello, Father. I'm coming home.
Isabella,
you
what is the
pass.
wahala
That
now?
overdo.
I don't want to go.
You don't want to go.
This house they call me.
Oh wait, don't do it. 5 hours now. You never do you, Abi. Never do you. I mean, not like this. You want me to fast before you go leave, Abi. So you're welcome. I come here now.
Angel, how are you?
I be my follow you. Make what you gonna happen. Did they send them? What's the concern? I bet they go. They go. You too. They go. Alpha.
He asked me out today. That was why he called to tell you of his intentions.
Is it so? Who asked who out?
Prince, my boss.
Eh? Ha! Ha! Is that it? He asked you out. I don't like this guy thing. I don't like this guy thing. So well, you don't get boyfriend with that all. And thank you, my angel. Thank you. You saved me. See you now. See Prince. It's a be something after all. If it's not all. If it's oh. I was saying you say yes, so. No, those ones, they girls, let me think about it. There's nothing to think about it because you met your match. A match made in heaven.
I didn't say anything to him.
Why? You don't get waiting to talk, Abi. You're still overwhelmed. Love.
I've not dated before, and now my boss is asking me out.
I'm mad like Odala. You know my boss is asking me out. Shebi calling him boss makes him appear somewhat valuable, I think. Now.
Sister, he's still my boss.
We're saying the same thing. Boss of shawarma joints. That one said follow me boss. Ha! Angel of my life! Oh, I'm happy for you. See, if peradventure he pops the question, say yes. Nya, fat YES. Where you see husband? You can't be the kind way fits you. He's made for you. Yes, you're the missing rib. That's why, after all said and done, he finally had sense to locate you. He's sensible after all. Say yes, oh. Say yes. And thank you. Hey, should we bring out a bottle and pop it in celebration?
No, I don't think so.
Please. Let's say this about shawarma today. Because like this now, the age. The staff today, some don't call out the food with the matter. Since 2 p.m. now, we need the matter.
Save me the details.
Come collect details. You go need them for Prince, oh. No use because you no get money, say you no get prick. Come make your sisters do you well. Because now you don't enter the rocking boats. Yes, especially from the front side. Smalley is now with Prince. Hey, Miss Prince. Miss Prince.
My love.
What is going on here, Prince?
I showed up as my real self and you lost your mind.
I get it. I momentally lost my mind. I mean, why are you looking this way?
I'm sorry to have pulled this surprise on you. Borrow a strategy from a movie, Coming to America.
What are you saying? What is going on, Prince?
Well, the thing is, I'm not just prince like I claimed. I'm actually a prince with a kingdom. My name is Prince Nana Ezego.
You mean you are related to the renowned King Ikembe Ezego?
He's my father.
Then why all the prolonged dramas? The taxi driver, the shawarma owner scenarios.
Listen, I needed to separate girls like Isabel from the likes of you. I have not had luck with women. I can't even begin to tell you what I've been through in the hands of these women. I've had to cancel 2 weddings because my brides-to-be schemed their way into getting my attention. They even had to sleep with my subordinate to get access to me. So I had to do it the Coming to America way. Disguised to be less than I was just to get to a woman like you. My love, there's nothing on this earth that will give me satisfaction other than making you my wife.
Stories that touch. This girl no carry me play. Small, no carry me play. Because this your story. It be like movie. Movie wey me sef don't watch. It look like a movie, it sound like a movie. No carry me play. This is your last chance to stop this joke.
Sister,
He said it himself.
Said what?
That he pulled his sons from a movie Coming to America just to set apart a woman that truly loves him.
He said that? But if you want to talk with that, wait a minute. Angel. Go. Look me for eye.
I'm looking at you.
Inside my eyeball. I won't catch you for this lie. You're serious?
I am.
Go, you know, come they blink. Hey, wait. Kabu. Driver. Shower man. Friends. Turned out to be a real prince. That means he's wealthy?
I think so.
Really? So why no one come marry him?
Sister, I don't want anything royalty.
Why?
Sister, there are so many dramas attached to marrying a well-made man. Especially from his family.
What's the way they told them to my ear? Not so many drama, especially in family. The real Coco be say idiotic prince turned out to be a royal prince. That is true prince. I am not over that fact yet. Allow me process it further. You know the lie. Smally. No be joke, abi. Wow.
Hello, Isabel.
Wine?
No, thank you.
First offer I am ever making you and you try to reject it?
Let's just say I'm not in the mood to drink right now.
Here you go. Cheers. Take it. You think I poisoned it, don't you? Good. Whew. Oh, look at that. Oh. For a moment, I almost died. But I didn't. I didn't die because this is not poison. Take it. Oh, I see what's going on here. You think there's love portion in this. Oh, dear God. Ah. Look at that. I am starting to fall in love with myself. Ooh, I am so luscious and creamy. Ooh.
Isabel, all of this doesn't bother me.
Okay.
You know why I'm here, Isabel?
I invited you.
That's because you said Angel was going to be here.
What are you saying, that I am incapable of inviting you here?
I don't see the possibility of you doing that.
This love strong, Sha.
Yeah. I love her.
I know that. And I'm happy for you guys. She'll be here too. I invited her. She'll be joining us shortly.
Thank you. I can't appreciate you enough for helping me out. Thank you so much.
It's nothing. I'm proud of you guys, and we're family. Make yourself comfortable. I use the bathroom.
Thank you very much.
Amaka, my daughter, please, don't settle for a less man. I did it, but see where it landed me. Love is good, but money is better. Remember, a marriage without money is half dead.
Mama, I have seen poor couples get rich in their marriage with the support from their spouse. You remember Ngozi, her husband wasn't rich enough, but now they're living in a big mansion in the city.
Then show me another Ngozi. Show me another Ngozi. There are plenty of us women who were thinking like that in the past. But we don't know that we are just dreaming. Dream that can never come true.
Stop this, Isabel.
Stop what?
Stop this right now.
What's the matter, Prince? It was me you wanted. Surely you must have seen something that you like.
I see differently now. I have taken a liking to another.
Who doesn't love you?
She'll come around.
She won't.
She will come around. I lied to her and that was wrong of me.
So what do we do about the fact that I love you?
And what if I told you I wasn't the prince anymore? Will you still love me?
Of course. Are you kidding me? I will still love you. I was just proving how to get. It's something girls do. That was your cue to prove to me that you really love me. But what did you do? You just jumped right over to Angel. Why my sister? Why Angel? Why not me?
I love her, Isabel.
But I love you. I love you, Prince. I do.
Is Angel coming here?
Angel is not coming here. All right?
You know, I must have been a fool to not see what you're trying to do here. For your information, Isabel, I am not looking for a woman to sleep with. Neither am I looking for an escort to take on trips with me. I'm looking for a wife. And as far as I'm concerned, you do not fit into that role. Because I know the kind of woman that you are.
Get out of my room. Now.
Oh. That escalated real fast.
Get out before I accuse you of raping me.
Tell Angel that I love her. And if I have to wait till eternity, I will wait.
I said, get out before I make you spend your entire life in a Nigerian court. Now!
You need help, Isabel. Get some help.
Uncle Shawama, get out! Get out! Come into America! They hear this smell. Come on, there. Stupid shawarma taxi driver! Yahoo lover boy. Today you be taxi driver, tomorrow you get money.
I'm really sorry about my approach in finding the right woman. It's just that I've been to the ends of the earth and back just to find a woman like you. And it would be a shame if I get to lose you on the basis of my disguised approach. I just wanted to set you apart in this our fast-growing material world where it is almost impossible to find true love.
Why me?
There could be none other out there. You're a good woman. Your heart and your actions are precise to being a true person. I can guess your fears. And I promise you on my life that nothing will ever happen to you. I will protect you with my life. My palace will be a beautiful home to you.
Always easy to say.
Not for a man of my standing. My word is my bond. With this ring that my father used to propose to my mother and has become a symbol of the Ezego family, I ask you, my angel, will you marry me?
I would have loved to be your woman. But also would love to be your princess.
Oh my God, it scared me. Yes! Yes!
Yes! I'm coming. No, I was talking to you. It's my sister. She's... Oh, you like my hair? It's new. Where's the money? You know when you said I was coming. Sis.
Guess what?
Shh. I'm on the phone. A video call with Philip. Shush.
Guess what now?
Maybe I'll call you back. I promise. What?
Since I got engaged. Look at this.
He proposed?
Yes.
Oh my God, I'm so happy for you. Come here. When did he propose?
Few hours ago, and I said yes.
Wow.
Look at that.
It's beautiful.
When he invited me, I went there fully aware that he would say the right words that would convince me. Sis, guess what? I am getting married.
I know.
I love him so much.
Sure you do. And you love them.
Seriously, sis. I can't wait to see you in a long flowing gown. Beside me as my chief bridesmaid.
That's if I don't get married before you.
Unless you're getting married in 2 weeks' time. Because the prince and I are getting married in 3 weeks' time. Before his coronation. Look at that.
No kidding.
No, I'm not. This ring is everything to me. He can't stop talking about this ring.
What about it?
I'll tell you. His father proposed to his mother with this ring. And this same ring God reconstructed for the prince to propose to his bride.
When you say that. This ring fine, no?
Very beautiful.
This ring fine, no? Wallahi ta'ala. If I get this ring. If I get this ring. Hey, God. Oh.
What will happen?
Instagram for here and for my hand. I've got for worry their timeline, their father. Their father, yeah. Mumu, you could know the Instagram. How you want to show off now? Bring your hand. Come on. Bring your hand, make a snap and take congratulations for them. Even though they don't know yourself.
So let me see.
Come out. No be the ring you wear for her. You still want to see him.
Anyway, sis, I need to go and freshen up now. Like, I'm tired. I'm so happy.
Sammy, I sent you a picture now. It's a ring. Find me the street value of that ring. Do you hear me? Sammy, I sent you a picture. Check your WhatsApp. That ring where they did. Find me the street value. Wait till I talk. Okay. Okay.
Isabella, my contact see that ring. You can't ask me who get the ring. I can't tell her say na my sister ring. You can't tell me say na mansion my sister away from her.
Mansion, okay.
You say that ring fit build mansion.
Sammy, I beg. I don't get time to waste. You know wetin carry me come here? Just tell me, man, they go. Wetin be the street value of the ring? How much it was?
You not go believe her.
Talk, Joe.
Make I ask yourself. Isabella, who get the ring?
Na NJ get am.
Eh? That your local sister?
No, they call my sister name. Just talk with her 1 year.
Who she steal her from?
Sammy, I go just quench this smoke now. Carry my bag, they go. Talk with her 1 year now, guy. Oh, they yarn up anyhow.
How that guy local girl go wear 45k dollars worth of ring? They waka everywhere.
You say wetin? Wetin he talk?
You see that ring? That ring is $45,000 worth. That's not the street value. The street value. My contact tell me say if he hold that ring, he don't hammer for life.
$45,000. That is $45,000. You know the joke, Abi? Sam.
I say bring that ring, come make you see for yourself.
Come on for there. Bring waiting. Bring waiting. Ma go thief my sister ring, Abi.
Before uncle. Wait, oh. So you not tell me say we not go seize the opportunity? Say I go call that girl hard come out there. Sell the ring. If you don't need money, me I need money. Which kind of life is that, man?
This your joke, me and Nancy. Swallow the thing where you jump vomit.
I resemble who they joke. Hey, Isabella, I resemble who they joke. Wait for this full country where you for see 20 million naira for inside street. Now somebody just wear for hand in waka. If you don't need money, I need money. If you do any, I see any, I'll cut the hand, come out, I will sell the thing, nothing happen. Which kind of matter be that now? True.
Sammy, I beg no dey fuck with my head, I beg. I no want make my brain twist. No twist my brain, bros. No dey put evil thoughts for inside my head.
Your brain need to twist for us to survive. Because if the brain not twist, we not go fix up. You don't see one person when normal when get money. All the people when get money so they're normal. Not do like that, oh. Not do like that, oh. We need this money, oh. And this one will take live our life. Wow.
Even if I share this money now, 50-50 with Sammy, now like 10 million naira be that for me. He reached me slay 1 full year for Instagram. I fit even buy motor join. After all, Shebi Prince na big boy. Now, he go buy another one for him. Nah. On the thief from my smallie, we get good heart. Wait first. Wait till the young self. Her heart's pure now. She collect Prince from my hand. No be me Prince be sabi before she come to farm. One scheme finish, collect my man now. I change my mind. I must revenge. Now the opportunity to. Wait till the talk self. I go come hurt my smallie. See him tonight. This girl like me well. I won't say hurt her. How they confused now.
What do you mean you can't steal the ring from her?
If I thief her, she go know say na me.
Then you go thief and travel now.
Which kind of emergency travel that one can be? Ma con dey travel and no plan to travel. Guy, bless you, this week don't they twist your hair, you don't think nonsense now.
When I mean they talk to like that.
What
they worry you? Okay, if you not fit thief her, kill her. Guy, you don't finally lose now. You don't dey mad. What did they worry yourself now? What did they worry you? Nothing they reason better thing with you. See, if you not fit follow my plans, come up with something now. See, Isabella, make I warn you. I mean, Sam, they talk. Anyhow, when you want her, you see that ring, now our own.
I get plan now. You get plan what the reason since. Now.
Correct, babe. Now this is they make me the tranga for you now. Now what for you?
You know the rest.
No, Isabella. Go all the way through the story.
Why? I should tell you something you already know?
Isabella, it will help a great lot if you revise the entire event.
You are pissing me off right now.
Isabella, this is not the time to be angry. You came here for answers. And I promise you that you will get it. But let's complete the story first.
Why? Why complete it?
Because there is a part that has been hidden from you for 8 years.
What is it?
Oh, sis. You're welcome. Sorry.
Small.
Sis.
What did they sub for you?
I'll be spending the weekend with Prince.
Eh? Hey, this babe. Now so they do now for body, abi? Now so they do you with Prince for body.
He just came in this evening and he said he'll be sending his driver to the house to come and pick me up. So we'll spend quality time together.
I beg you. Just talk sale now, won't go fuck. Quality time.
Sis, you're too vulgar.
What you be vulgar for the matter? Like say you know, no say, I beg you. Spend quality time. Chop small something. Before you know, legs go hang. Woo! Look at you.
What is your concern?
Smally. I just say be virgin, you say one collect. Sister, calm down for Jesus. So calm down. Engagement no be wedding, no be marriage. You have seen some kind of things.
I told you already. The marriage plan is underway.
Don't mind me, girl. I'm happy for you, little sis. I'm happy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Just to be sure. Hope this is not rubbing off wrongly on your emotions.
How do you mean?
I mean, I'm getting married to Prince. Hope this is not hurting you in any way. Because I can give accounts step by step on how we got here.
How the fuck do you think I would have my emotions wrongly hurt when you scheming snake of a girl stole my man? How? Look at your face. I'm joking. I know. I'm joking. You should see your face. Come sit down, I beg. Sit. You should see your face. I got you.
Was that really one of your jokes?
Before, go. It shock you, Abby. You should see your face. Oh boy, if the time I actress, I for makeup because this face, na epic. It shock. I go decide to talk to you. When you say no say from time, I know Kuku Badu Prince. No be my type of guy. I just want to know what you could do. I just
asked you.
Slowly. You know I like my guys now. You know. Okay, papa. You know, Prince no day for that league. So, you said no, the one go spend time. How long will you be with him?
He's just going to stay 2 days in town. And we are going to see his parents from there.
School, uncle.
Exams are over and there's nothing happening again.
Says who? You will see your fellow medical students then wear lab coats, they walk about for inside campus. Smally.
Sis.
Smally.
Sis.
So, where am I inside all this plan? I want to know.
I was going to tell you that I will be unveiling to Prince that you're my wedding planner.
Eh? This babe. Who be your wedding planner? Me?
Of course.
Now you never tell me since.
I was about telling you.
Go, don't put me for inside wahala. Who tell you I don't plan wedding before? I sabi plan wedding.
You have one to learn with. Oh, my phone. Easy, Prince. Excuse me.
Excuse, where they go? Sit down for here. Why do you want to tell her when me no feel here?
See.
Smally. Smally. Now they talk, Sammy. She want to come out. No. As I follow you talk like this, she dey back at things. She want to come out now. Now, calm down. You not supposed to shout. Now me they yank you. Don't do the shout. No pressure me, oh. No pressure me. I want to do a makila. Makila got a hand. Sammy, no this. Shout. Okay, you want the shout, Abi? You want the shout? Yeah. I dey hear you. You don't shout finish, Abi. She don't know where she dey go. She don't know. The same driver come pick her. She don't know. How? Haba, I beg go. I no go do like that, I beg. I no fit. Sammy and I no fit.
Sis, I'm leaving.
My baby, I can tell you're very excited.
Let me help you with this.
Really?
Sure.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Anything else?
No.
Oh, your handbag.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Go. Make my phone no just loss. Make my phone no loss on Sammy. I don't talk my own finish now.
Now which kind of person be this? You dey talk 20 miller business. Now marry phone, you call the reason. Isabella, I hope you keep the phone where I tell you.
Now.
Good. And how you dey behave well now?
Sam, wetin I still want know. You see, how this phone inside bag want to help?
You know say na computer age we dey. My computer guy go track that phone, go their location. Now we go take know where they dey now. Then, at night, we go enter, collect the ring.
Hey, man, talk. I beg. Sammy, I beg. I take God name, beg you. Just collect the ring, they go your go. If she no agree release the ring, I beg. Just leave they go. I beg. Sammy, I beg.
I say she not go fit try am. By the time she see my boys their face, she go release her now. You don't need to worry, Isabella. This night, we go collect the ring. We go become millionaires.
Now this night you won't concert the ring.
The ring, I go hold on for my hand. We become millionaires in assets. Bring your mind, calm down. You won't get strong man now. You got to do like this. Bring my calm down. Make it smile small. You know what it be to control money. Hey, control money. Hey. Babe, based on, say life got better so now. We'll go there arrange ourselves as usual now. Not the go damn you. Not the go damn you. Shoot. You not be my own. I work for you.
You know the rest.
Of course. Especially the part you don't know.
Which is?
I lied to you. I lied to you about what happened in that operation.
What happened? Sam, what happened in that operation?
Things went differently.
You told me you met an ongoing robbery upon your arrival, and that you and your boys barely escaped with your lives.
I lied.
Are you expecting anyone?
Oh yeah, the food delivery guy. I ordered for food.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, 1 minute. Yeah, so I... Go back. Fast!
Back! Down! 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 Hands on the floor.
Please, you can take whatever you want, please. Please.
Please, don't hurt us. Just listen to him. Take anything you want. Don't hurt us.
Anything you want, please. See, we don't have cash in this house, but we have things of very high value, please.
Where are these things? I said, where are those things?
Where's the engagement ring?
Huh?
The engagement ring now.
I left it inside the room.
Okay, please, let me get it.
Hey, down!
Please.
How much is it worth?
It's worth at least $70,000, please. I'll get it.
What?
What? $70,000.
It's pure diamond, please. Let me just go.
Hey, down! I will go with the girl.
Huh?
Yes.
No. Let me go get it for you, please.
I feel your hands on the ground. Guy! The guy do anyhow. Couple arm. He ain't go see anyhow. Go there.
Let me get it for you.
Go.
Let me get it for you, please.
Here's the ring. Please. I'm begging you, please. Please, get it.
When I couldn't have you on that day, prior to the operation, if you could remember, Angel's revealing body got my libido so high. So I thought to myself, why not have her to quench the burning fire within me? Then the worst happened.
You pervert.
I wish I could control it.
Please. I'm begging you, please don't do anything stupid, please. Please don't touch me, please.
Please, I'm begging you, please. Please, I'm begging you.
No! Get off my wife!
What have you done?
Please!
What have you done? What have you done?
Help me, please, I'm begging you! Eman! Help! Help my please, please, please! Please! Please, please! My friend! My friend! Help us! My friend, please, I'm begging you. Don't give up. I am begging you, please!
Don't let me die.
I want it. Please, I'm begging you. I won't let you die. I love you so much. Please, please, help! Someone help me! You killed him! You killed him, Sam!
Isabella, I've been living with the guilt all my life.
You lied to me. Sammy, you lied.
To protect you.
Protect me from what?
From the responsibility of our actions.
No, that was no protection. You ruined my life. You ruined my life and I have been suffering from your actions all these years over something that you claim you did to protect me. Sam!
How could I have owned up to you that an operation I instigated got your sister's fiancé killed? How could I have justified that?
Do you have any idea how much I've been punished since then?
Isabella, I have been punished as well. I lost my soul and wandered like a lost dog for years until I gave my life to Christ. And even at that, I am haunted whenever I close my eyes to pray.
I killed him. I killed Prince. I killed him with my greed and my envy. I killed him. Oh my God. And my husband has been suffering for all the sins I committed. You're a murderer.
I didn't pull the trigger. One of my boys did. Isabella, as a matter of fact, we all pulled the trigger. We are all responsible for the death of that innocent man. And we need to do something about it.
What is it?
Something we ought to have done long ago.
She's your auntie.
My auntie?
Yes.
You never told me I have an auntie.
She's your auntie. Go and hug her. Go. Yes.
I almost couldn't go in there.
I haven't had sex in like ages.
Jeez. No wonder.
No wonder what?
I almost was doing all the work myself.
Hey, stop it!
But I enjoyed every bit of it.
I did too. It really felt good to be held by someone you love.
I love you, my angel.
And I love you too.
Can't wait to show you off to my parents, you know.
Really? That's good. Okay, we are done here.
Whoa. Done where? We're just getting started, you know.
No, I'm not going to do that again.
Wait, how about just...
No! I can't do that. No, I can't do that again.
Okay,
Never.
after this one, yes.
No. No. I'm done. No, I'm not going to do that. Stop it. No, I'm not going to. I am begging you, please. I want it. Please, I'm begging you. I will make you die. I love you so much. Please. Help! Somebody help! If you had asked me for that ring, I would have given it to you. You took it away from me. You took it away from me.
I'm very sorry. I swear on my life, Angela, I'm very, very sorry. Please, forgive me, please.
You killed a beautiful soul, my prince. You attended his burial. You cried with me. You washed him, buried 6 feet below the earth. You deprived my son the privilege of growing up with a father. Every day he asks me, who is my father? Who is my father? Do you even know the pain of a mother? Realizing that one day she's going to tell her son that his father was murdered. Not just that, murdered by her own sister.
I'm very sorry. I'm so sorry. Angel, please, I'm very sorry. I know no amount of apologies can reverse what I have done or heal the pain in your heart. But I'm very sorry, and if I could go back in time and fix it, I would. I went too far. And I'm sorry. I shouldn't have. Please, my sister, forgive me. Please.
You are not wanting to be alive. Get out of my house! If I will pick a knife and stab you to death!
Please, my sister. I need you to forgive me. It's important that you forgive me. Please, my sister, please.
Now listen to me. I don't want to ever see you again. Any day I set my eyes on you, it will be the last day you will breathe on earth. Now get out. Get out! Get out! Get out! Please. Get out of my house! Get out! Get out! Mom! Get out! Get out! Get away from me! Get away from me! Get
I'm very sorry, Jerry. Find a place in your heart and forgive me for all the wasted years. I wish our marriage never happened.
Isabella, there is not much to forgive. Everyone on earth have a dark past and conquers the past only when the demons are confronted and wrestled down. I wish you told me earlier.
I just got to know myself. I wish you well in life, Jerry. You're a good man. I'm sorry I have to go.
Right about what?
About my wife. She confessed to me about her past.
And?
It doesn't sound good at all. I think somehow her past is the reason for her barrenness.
Jerry, you're not exempted either.
What do you mean?
You became a prey. Not by accident.
You mean I was punished for what I did to you?
I've read a lot about quantum physics, karma and all. And in this past few years, I've learned that what goes around comes back around. I'm not exempted either. I have my own price to pay.
Which is?
Can you come over to my house?
Sure. Just send me the address.
Same address as you know. Relax.
I don't want to get into trouble, you know.
What trouble?
Visiting a married woman in her house?
I'm not married, Jeremiah.
You are not?
I'm not. No marriage. No husband.
So, all those times you told me that you were happily married is just all...
All lies. I'm not married, Jeremiah.
And what about your son?
You mean our son?
What are you saying?
Jason is your son. You're his biological father.
Please don't tell me this is a joke.
I know you wish it was a joke, but it's not.
Oh. I don't want it to be a joke. You mean we have a child together?
I never aborted the last pregnancy after we broke up. When I realized you got married and moved on, I wanted a piece of you, me.
Where is he?
You want a DNA?
Oh. I want to be his father. I want to see him. I want to continue my life from where I stopped.
Jason!
Where is he?
Jason! Hi, baby. Come. Hi. It's your dad.
Daniela, I'm sorry. You had to raise him up all by yourself. You're stronger than you look. You're more than virtuous.
I tried in my heart to forgive you both, but I couldn't. And something in me told me that when I kill you both, somehow Prince will get his revenge in the world beyond.
Angel, I know there is good in you. I also know that the death of Prince and the memories that have come with it has gotten your mind twisted with revenge. But my sister, she don't want to go down that road. It's not even something I wish on my enemy. Talk more of you, my sister.
I am not your sister.
You are my sister. You will always be my sister, even if you kill me.
I saw easy money. I was in a dark place of my life. I know I can't bring Prince back. But in my heart, I'm very sorry for what I did to you. I turned my life around. But it doesn't change what I did to you. every good I do as a servant of the Most High God is hinged on the evil I did in the past. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You both deserve death. You took a life. And life pays for a life.
Angel, if you insist on killing me, can you at least do me a favor? Find a place in your heart and forgive me. Because I am truly sorry.
Never. Never. Your act is an unforgivable sin.
And I forgive you for what you are about to do.
Stop! Let them go.
I told you that your wife was a witch.
You don't say that to someone because of an ugly past.
If God should open your eyes to see what I see, you will stop arguing with me.
It's okay. Mama, I am no longer in any argument with you. Right? You just arrived, so you need to go to your room and refresh. But before that, I would want you to meet someone, huh? Sweetheart!
Yes, baby.
Who is that person? I hope that witch is not still in your house.
Oh, no, Mama, it's not that one. It's not that one. Sweet baby. That's it.
How was the trip?
Yes.
Jeremiah.
Yeah, Mama.
All wrong, Mama.
Mama, stop that! I was a fool to have believed you. You forced me to marry a woman you now refer to as a witch. You denied me the peace and love I was enjoying from her.
Baby, calm down. Don't be harsh on your mother. Everyone is entitled to their opinion. Please, just sit down. Mama, listen, Mama. You don't define a person by where they come from, tribe, ethnicity, Mama. I understand that in the past, your generation, you know people by just the stories you hear of them. But Mama, this is a different generation. This is a different world we live in, Mama. We get to know a people by association. And when it comes to marriage, we don't judge by tribe, Mama. It's love.
Mama, sweetheart, what Mama needs to understand is that in life, there is good, the bad, and the ugly in every sphere of life. She needs to understand that.
Calm down. Calm down.
That's enough. I was wrong. My daughter, you are right. I've not even met anybody from your tribe before. All I said was as a result of what I heard people saying while I was growing up. Because that witch that married my son before, she was from my tribe. She almost finished him. Thank you, my daughter.
It's okay, Mama.
Thank you for taking my son back.
It's okay, Mama.
Thank you.
Mama.
That's my smile now.
I'm smiling now. At least she asked me to, and you too. So we're smiling, right? Okay, Mama, it's okay. It's okay. Before you finally retire to your room, I think, where is Jason?
I think he's in the store. Jason!
Jason.
Jason?
Who is Jason again?
Your grandchild.
Hey! Jesus! Igwe!
We had before we broke up.
Sit down here. This is your grandmother's lap. Hey! So me, finally, I'm not a grandmother. My grandson. Child! Chioma me, Chioma. Chioma me, Chioma. God, thank you. Thank you. Thank you for giving me this cute grandson. Thank you. Women from your tribe, they are the best.
Mama, it's not about trying.
Leave that thing, leave that. Come. Hey, go. Thank you, Jesus. You're not a man. Now you're behaving like your father.